Tvs Apache Rtr, how to adjust and lubricate the drive chain. This is the drive chain. It should have a play of 1 to 2 centimeter in the middle of both sprockets, but now I made it loose for you to show you how loose chain looks like. It's too much loose, so now I'm gonna show you how you can adjust it yourself. So you need to loosen this nut, and take a spanner there, move it, and that way it's gonna be tightened. You can see. Can see if it's getting tighter. You also need to lose this nut to keep it balanced from both sides, and now you can tighten it. And don't forget to adjust with the help of a spanner there. Alright, and now you can tighten it. So now it is fully adjusted. You can see there's only little play which is required for the smoother movement of both sprockets. Now the lubrication part. Move the wheel and lubricate it with the help of a long nose can. So it was outside, now from the inside of the chain. That's how we're going to lubricate it. So that's how you can adjust and lubricate your drive chain. This is Mandy, Newcity. Thank you.